Whether your goal is to break into the luxury industry or simply attract higher budget clients, you're in the right place. This class is designed for you. It's a real actionable training program. If you follow each step, put in the work and commit to the exercises, I can promise you won't be the same entrepreneur when we finish. Together, we'll cover nearly every aspect of your business with real examples, interviews, and practical tools to help you apply this concept. This training isn't just about breaking into the premium market. It's about breaking your own selling. Whether that means attracting higher budget clients, reaching the next level in your industry, or finding your niche. The steps, strategies, and exercises I share in this CocoSpark method will save you years of trial and error and give you the tool to create a significant impact on your business. So grab a notebook, block out time in your calendar, and get ready, because we are about to start this incredible journey together.